Ready? Yep. Go, 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 go! Take it up the rear.
I think you mean bring it up the rear, not taking it. I'll sit back here and take it up the rear for you guys. I guarantee you they're going to hit that fucking plate.
Yeah, at least his first one. Yep, I'll come to it. Gotcha, where do you want it at?
Over top of the wall.
Thank you. Well, I did not hear that. Ow. Yeah, I didn't hear that part.
I thought I articulated that point that as soon as you pull that pin, it starts.
That's not how grenades work, Graydon.
Somebody hit my line.
Oh, work it. Work it. There you go. Oh my god, not now, you piece of grenade launcher, I think. Got him, nice. And my gas is dying. Don't die. Oh, got me, good shot. Of course. Of course. Work. One of you work, you b****s. How's it looking?
Yeah, guys, they're pretty much all like at least 20 to 25 meters down that way. Got him.
Good, good. Yep. Ooh, my belly.
Oh, that was so close.
Got me. Ooh, my nip. Hey.
Well, they only got pistols. Let's just all run in the same direction.
Run right.
Yeah. Ready? I
Yep.
got many shots left. I only got like...
You didn't hit me the first time.
Sorry if you're already out. Hi.
Left. Oh, you dick.
Somebody hit me. I think it was a friendly.
It was.
Why you be like that?
Like great maneuver.
Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing?
Yeah.
Holy sh**.
I don't want to anymore.
Alright, let's go before you reload.
Y'all be like, not falling for that again. They was ready that time.
Yeah, they were.
Can I borrow this, Graydon?
Yeah, go ahead, take it. Chuck it to somebody.
Almost!
Good run.
Too much cardio today.
I got it on film.
Are you having fun? Are you having yourself a wee blast over there?
I'm having myself a wee giggle.
Stand down.
Out. We're all out.
That was the last one.
I'm out of bullets.
I definitely would have gotten at least 2 of you that were coming up.
Man down!
He got me.
Oh lordy, what the hell did they do to you?
Help me!
He's dead, my lad's dead! They killed him!
I'm not dead yet. I'm wounded.
No, you're dead, you're in denial. Shh, shh, it's going to be okay, close your eyes.
Safety medical brick.
You messed with the medical brick!
No, I hit him.
Yeah, you got me in a radio.
Yeah, hey. Oh, I need to pick up that.
All good. We're done.